Okay, good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss Introduction to Logarithms. Introduction to Logarithms. Introduction to Logarithms. So, before going to start this, let us see the properties of exponents. Here, 2 power 1 is 2 and 2 power 2 is 4 and 2 power 3 is 8. So this is exponential form. If you want to write the converse of this statement, that means this 2 can be written as 2 power what? 2 power 1. Similarly, this 4 can be written as 2 power how much? 2 power 2. And this 8 can be written as 2 power how much? 3. Similarly, 64 can be written as 2 power how much? 2 power 6. Okay. If a number is given, this number you have to write 2 power something. So 2 power something. So 2 power what? 2 power how much is 9? So what is x? Here you observe these form. Here 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 6. These are exponents. These powers are integers. But here you can't get like that. X is not an integer. Here the word log enters. X, it can be written as log 9 base 2. X is log 9 base 2. So this is what exponential form, and this is logarithmic form. Log form, exponential form. Let us see some other examples. Suppose here 3 square is 9. You can write this exponential form in logarithmic form, log form. Here observe this, 9 is 2 power x. This x is defined as log 9 base 2. X is defined as what? Log 9 base 2. Here x is what here? This exponent. So here what is exponent here? 2. 2 is log 9 base 3. So one thing you have to remember is, in this exponential form, what is base here? 3. In logarithmic form, what is base here? 3. Base 3 doesn't change. So this you have to remember. Let us see another example. 3 power 4 is 81. This is what exponential form. So here this exponential form, if you write in log form, so here 4, what is exponent here? 4. 4 is log base 3 and 81. So 4 is how much? Log 81 base 3. Exponential form and log form. So let us see another example. 5 square is how much? 25. Exponential form. Convert into log form. So what is the exponent here? 2. So 2 is log 25 base 5. Here in this form base is 5, in this form base is 5. So if you remember this thing, it will be very easy for you to convert exponential into log, log into exponential. Okay. Now let us define logarithmic. So first of all, here in this first example, 9 is 2 power x. So x is defined as what? X is log 2 log 9 base 2. Log 9 base 2. So x is logarithmic 9 base 2. If you want to generalize this, if a power x is n, So here x is log n base a. This is logarithmic form and this is exponential form, and this one is logarithmic form. Let us solve some examples. Conversion. In exam point of view, conversion is important. We have one question on conversion. 7 is 2 power x. If 7 is 2 power x, so what will be x? X is log 7 base 2. Suppose 10 is 5 power x. Here x is not an integer, but you can write x in terms of log. So x is log 10 base 5. Okay. So now let us see the converse of these statements. If logarithmic form is given, suppose log 32 base 2 is x. This is what logarithmic form. You have to convert this log form into exponential form. So how you write here? What is base? 2. Base doesn't changes. 2 power x is what? 32. 2 power x is what? 32. Similarly, let us see another one. Log 625 base 5 is y. This is log form. You have to convert this into exponential form. So what is base here? 5. Base doesn't changes. Base comes here. 5 power y is 625. Now I hope you understand. Now homework for you is you have to create 5 examples on your own conversion. If exponential form is given, you have to convert them into log form, and log form convert them into exponential form. For a model, I will give you one example. Here 2 power 5 is 32. This is exponential form. You have to convert this into log form. And second model, if log form is given, for example, log 1000 base 10 is 3. This is log form. So what is the answer here? Answer means this is log form, convert this into exponential form.